Para din pala on time tayo guys dun sa schedule natin for the workshop. Mag-set lang din tayo ng time limit for this part in painting ng beach. So, maybe we can finish by 3:30 or quarter to 4 para by that time, quick merienda and before tayo mag-dressing. Okay?